Okay, so let's do number 3. So we start with carbon dioxide gas, so CO2 gas, is bubbled into lithium hydroxide, so LiOH, and it's a solution, so that's aqueous. It makes water and lithium carbonate. So, so I have my lithium Li2CO3 solid carbonate and my H2O liquid. So for this one, really, go ahead.
Shouldn't the lithium carbonate be aqueous?
Is it?
It says on here, it says group 1 ions and lithium is in group 1.
Oh, and it's aqueous?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thanks. All right, so now we can expand our aqueous into ionic form, or yeah, represent the dissociation. Okay. So plus Li plus aqueous.
Do I need to balance it first?
Oh, thank you. Why do I keep forgetting that? So, oh, this is a hard one to balance, isn't it? So let's break our C's and our O's down, I guess. Maybe, I think we'll have to break everything down. Okay, it's just hard to visualize it. So I'm just going to take this out and start from scratch. All right, so on this side I have 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 1 lithium, and 1 hydrogen. This side I have 1 carbon, 4 oxygen, 2 lithium, and 2 hydrogen. So looking at things here, I need 1 more O, 1 more L, and 1 more H. So if I put a 2 here, I have one of all those things that I'm missing. So here now I have 4, here I have 2, and here I have 2. So now it's good. So now let's write it out. So we have our CO2 gas plus 2 Li plus aqueous plus 2 OH minus aqueous makes 2 Li plus aqueous plus CO3 2 minus aqueous plus, now you should, we're just going to keep water together right now. Gives us H2O liquid. Okay. So this is kind of an awkward one, right? It doesn't give you your standard kind of precipitate that's nice and tidy. But we just follow the same rules as we would normally. Okay, does the CO2 look the same on the right as the left? No way. There's not even a CO2 there. So we're going to leave this one. Okay. Does my Li look the same on both sides? Yes, it does. Does my OH look the same on both sides? Nah. So now this is what I have left over. So my OH, my CO3, and my H2O. So it's definitely an awkward one. It's not like a nice and tidy precipitate question.
Why do you like CO2 and H2O like that and not split it up into like HOH and C?
So why do I leave the, which one, the CO2?
And the H2O.
Well, they're molecular compounds, so they don't dissociate, right? Like, because they're molecular, even if they dissolved, they would just be aqueous, right? Yeah, so since they're molecular compounds, you don't break these down because they don't dissociate or ionize. Water is a weird one because it actually does ionize, but just don't worry about that until Chem 30, okay?